After your backtrack account is set up and you have your reference number, you're sending parts to us, the next step is to set up backtrack as your default address for unfulfillable merchandise that's in Amazon. It's very easy. You go into Amazon Seller Central, you go into settings for FBA, you will find this choice for unfulfillable removal settings. Go in there and you enable automatic removal. You return, instead of disposing, return that product. You do it on a weekly basis. You enter your email address and you use the address that we've given you, and the reference number goes on address line 2. So in my example, I'm using demo account 100, and so 100A, A stands for Amazon. That just helps us identify where the boxes are coming from. Not required, but it's helpful. So 100A, and you hit update. It's that simple. Now every week Amazon will take your inventory, consolidate unfulfilled inventory, fulfillable inventory, consolidate it, ship it back to Backtrack. They will give you tracking numbers. You can then enter tickets in our system for those inbound shipments. Basically, it's an advanced shipment notice for us. We know it's coming, and we can process it as fast as possible once it gets to our doors. There you go. It's that easy. It takes less than 30 seconds once you're there.